What's up, everybody? My name is Cortez Cruikshank. I'm an adult student enrolled in Collision Repair Technician program, and I'll be your host for today's MetroTech Weekly Wrap-Up. This week's wrap-up comes to you from my classroom at the South Bryan campus. I wanted to enroll in this program at MetroTech because I love cars and I've always wanted to know how to work on them. After I earn my certification, I plan to start my career in the automotive industry and work on achieving my goal of becoming a NASCAR driver. In student news, the MetroTech HOSA Chapter had their first meeting of the year with pre-nursing students and began preparing for parliamentary procedure competitions last Friday. And Monday, students, faculty, and staff walked with our float in the Martin Luther King Junior Day Parade. 2 more culinary students earned their Serve Safe Food Protection Manager certifications. Students from Oklahoma City Public Schools with Oklahoma Gear Up toured our campuses and learned more about our programs. And finally, SkillsUSA testing has begun to prepare for the upcoming competition season. So numerous students were diligently testing all week at the Spring Lake campus. Well, that's all for me. I hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and MT for life.